Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out if you have a Technika brand dishwasher and you're getting an E6 error and you're wondering what's going on and is there something you can do to fix it. And if you're getting an E6 error, your dishwasher has probably abandoned the cycle. What'll happen is you'll start it going, it'll start, and after a certain time it'll stop working. And that's because it needs to heat the water and it needs to sense the temperature. And the E6 error is an error with this temperature sensor that's going to be down in the bottom of your dishwasher. So there's probably an open circuit, like it could be a wire that has come loose going to the temperature sensor, or it could be something that's burnt out within your temperature sensor. But there's not an easy fix for this. You know, for a homeowner, you're probably going to have to call technical support. But at least at least you'll know what's going on. And if you are someone who feels comfortable enough opening it up and seeing what's going on, the thing to look for would be, a loose wire or a frayed wire or something like that, or a corroded wire. And then the actual temperature sensor itself, if you can notice that it's been burnt out or anything like that, you might need to replace that. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least understand what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.